OLE! ¿Cómo estás? ¿Qué pasa? Me llamo Corey Carcano, and welcome to Carcano Gaming. We are going to go for a ride in the Matador, do a little demo derby action. Actually, we're going to lower the gear ratio down a little bit, because we're in Mudford Moto Park, and I got to get the smashing in. Oh, I wanted to go off to the side and catch one of the cars, but that didn't happen. That's alright. Since it's not snowy, it should be okay. This track's a pain in the ass regardless, but I think I can manage, especially in the El Matador. Ooh, that bug just got crushed. Oh, I didn't get a shot out of it. There goes the streak. Damn it. There's bronze. That should have been enough to wreck it. There's a wreck. Uh-oh, that car's fucked. How is that not a wreck? Alright, come on, gotta keep it going. I'm looking at you, Hammerhead. Ooh, I cut that close. Hanging in there. Yeah, at least I got a shunt out of that. Silver. I'm gonna try to sneak gold in there. I don't think it's gonna happen. Nope, I'm out of time. That's alright, I'll take it. For Mudford Motor Park, you can't complain. Silver's fine.